Good morning students. Let's continue chapter 4. Today's topic is concept and exercise 4.3. In virtual class, I talked about area of a triangle by determinant method. Okay. So I am starting from that topic only. So first, area of a triangle. If vertices are given. Okay. Now let x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y2. Okay. Are three vertices of a triangle. Then area of a triangle 1 by 2 is x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1. Okay, and solve this determinant, we will find the area of a triangle. Okay, but student, keep in mind that first point, area of triangle always take positive. Okay, so take only absolute value of determinant. Okay, and second point, keep in mind is if area is given, then use both positive and negative values of determinant for calculation. So student, if area is given and we have to find unknown vertex of the triangle, then only. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of determinant. And third point, if area of triangle is 0, points are collinear. Okay, and if points are collinear, then area will be 0. Okay student, so if area is given and we have to find the unknown, we use the area and both value positive and negative. Okay student, and now I am going to take some question of exercise 4.3. The question is, find the area of a triangle with the given vertices. Okay, so students, area 1 by 2, determinant, write the first vertex, it is 1 0, here write 1, 8 6 0 1 and 4 3 1, and now solve it. Expand. Okay, you can expand to the second column also since it has two zeros. Okay students, so if we are starting value through this, it will be really in your mind only, it's the number. Okay, so write 3. Okay, and now 1 1 multiply by 1 student and 6 into 1, it's minus 6. And now see what will be the sign here. Okay, so it is the third row, second column, third row 3, second column 2, it means 3 plus 2 5, it means there will be minus 9. Okay student, and now 1 by 2, okay, it is minus 5, okay, and we will get 15, so answer will be 15 by 2. Okay. For the next question student. Same method apply here. Area of triangle 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 1. Here 3 2 1 minus 1 minus 8 and 1. Okay. And now solve it. 1 by 2. Okay. From I am starting from minus 2 student, and okay, I am taking this modulus since we have to take only absolute value. So it is minus 2, and here 2 minus 8 will multiply with 1, but minus minus it is plus. Now it's already negative sign, so take it plus student. Okay. Now this row and this column will cancel. We will get 3 plus 1. Again here it is minus, and next plus 1. First row, third column will cancel student. It is 3 into minus 8 minus 24 and minus 1 into 2, but it is minus, so it will be plus here. Okay. And now 1 by 2, it's minus 20, and 3 plus 1 4 3s are 12, and here minus 22 student. Okay. So you will get the answer 1 by 2 into, it will be minus 8 minus 30, but take only positive value. Okay. So we will get 15. Okay students. Now students, the next question is, show that points A, it is A, B plus C, B, C plus A, and C, it is C, A plus B, okay, are collinear. We have to prove this. Okay. So for this student, simple, find the area of determinant. Okay, it is 1 by 2, and write the vertices B plus C 1, B C plus A 1, it's C A plus B and 1. Okay. Now we have to solve it by explaining the determinant. Okay student, still we didn't cover the topic operation of determinant, otherwise we can solve it by the applying the operation very simple. Okay student, A, this row column will cancel, we will get C plus A minus A plus B. Okay. And now take sign minus, it is B plus C multiply with student A. This column, this row will cancel, so B minus C. It is B minus C. Now take plus sign and 1. Here you have to multiply B with A plus B. So B with A plus B, and then minus C with C plus A. Here C with C plus A. Okay. And now solve it. 1 by 2. Here student, A will cancel, we will get C minus B and multiply with A. So it's AC. Okay. And minus AB. From here, C, it is B square minus C square. B square and plus C square. From here, multiply, it is AB plus B square, and it's C square minus AC. Okay. And now C, B square will cancel, C square will also cancel. It's plus AB minus AB plus AC and minus AC. So answer is 0. Okay. If answer is 0, then this point don't make the triangle points are collinear. Okay students. Now move ahead. The next concept I am taking first, and then we will do more question of exercise 4.3. Okay. Find the equilibrium equation. It's find equation of line. कौन सा? Points are, suppose A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y. Okay. Now equation of line formula, it's x y1 x1 y1 1, here write x2 y2 and 1. Okay, is equal to 0 and solve. You will get the equation of line. Okay students, and now I am taking the question of exercise 4.3. Find value of, here it is value of k. If area of triangle is 4 square unit. Okay students, and vertices are given. It's k0, next 4 0 and 0 2. Okay students, and it is given in the question that area is 4 square unit. So for this, student apply the area. It is 1/2. Okay, and write the values here. k0 1, 4 0 1 and 0 2 1. Okay, area is given student 4. Now 1/2, solve it. We will get, if you are starting with the k, this row, this column will cancel, you will get -2 and then it's already 0, so with 1, this row column will cancel and we will get 8. Okay, 2 and plus -8, minus 2k plus 8. Cross multiply with 4. Okay, and both value we have to take positive and negative values students. And now first, if 8 is positive, then we will get k is equal to 0, and if we are taking -8, it's -2k plus 8. Okay, so k is equal to 8. Okay, so we will get two values of k, 0 and 8. Okay students, and now do the next question. Next is find the equation of line. Okay student, question number 4. It is line joining the points. Points are given 1 2 and another is 3 6. Okay, and using determinants, it is given in the question. Otherwise we know many methods to find the equation of line in 11 science. You all have been studying student. Okay, how many methods do you know? By the slope method, okay, two vertex method. So here equation of line is x y 1 1 2 1 3 6 1 is equal to 0. Okay, since area of the triangle must be equal to 0. Area is 1/2 determinant of the given points students. Okay, so here now expand it. I am starting from first row. Okay, so it is 2 minus 6, now minus 5. This row, this column will cancel student. 1 minus 3 plus 1 and first row, third column will cancel and we will get 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and now it's minus 4x here, minus 2 and minus 1. It becomes plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay student, and we can write it's 2x is equal to y. Okay, so it is the equation of line joining the point 1, 2 and 3, 6. Okay students, and now I am going to cover some more points of this chapter, minor and cofactor of a determinant. Okay, minor of an element, Aij of a determinant is determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which the element Aij lies. Okay, and minor is denoted by Mij. Now student, take an example. Let determinant is 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we have to find the minor of element 2. Suppose. Okay, then minor of 2, it is M. Student, is first row, second column, M1, 2. Okay, element is lie in first row, second column. So write M1, 2, and it is, now delete this row and this second column. Remaining elements 0, 6, 7 and 9. And now solve it student. So 0 into 9 it's 0 and answer is minus 7 6 are 40. Students, cofactor of a element of determinant is denoted by Aij and it is minus 1 I plus j and Mij. Okay, Mij, it is the minor. Okay, now take an example. Let b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we have to find cofactor of A, 2, 3. Okay student, it means minus 1, 2 plus 3. 2 in place of r and 3 is in place of j. 2, 3, it means second row, third column. We are finding the cofactor of 6 only. Okay student, and here this row, this column will delete and we will get 1, 2, 7 and 8. Solve it. It's minus 1 and 8 minus 40. We will get 6. It is the answer. Okay student, and now the next exercise 4.4. It is related to minor and cofactors. First two questions are very simple student, and third, using cofactor of element of second row, calculate determinant is given. It means that expand the determinant along the second row. Okay students, since it is given in the question, and if we expand row determinant by any row and any column, the answer will be same. But one important thing, if we multiply an element by the factor of other element, and then sum of this element is always 0. Okay student, so keep in your mind whenever you are finding that one important point. If element of a row or column are multiplied with cofactor of any other row or column, okay, then their sum is always 0.